Oppo Ace 2 EVA Limited Edition launched, Oppo banned Teased. Oppo Ace 2 EVA Limited Edition smartphone has launched in China. The phone is essentially identical to the Ace 2 launched last month, but it comes with an exterior aesthetic inspired by anime series Neon Genesis Evangelion. The Oppo Ace 2 EVA Limited Edition comes in a blue finish with Evangelion written at the back, and wallpapers inspired by the anime series. The retail box of the new limited edition phone also has a unique white capsule-like design. The phone is listed to be powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 processor and supports 65 watts super flash charge support. Oppo Ace 2 EVA Limited Edition price, sale, more. The Oppo Ace 2 EVA Limited Edition is priced at 4,399 Chinese yuans, roughly 46,500 rupees, and is available in an 8GB plus 256GB storage configuration. The phone is up for pre-order and sales should begin from June 1st. Pre-booking has already begun on the company's official website. Only 10,000 units of the Oppo Ace 2 EVA Limited Edition have been made in total. Apart from the Ace 2 EVA Limited Edition, Oppo has also launched EVA Limited Edition models of a bunch of other existing products from its portfolio. This includes the Anko W31 TWS earbuds priced at 399 Chinese yuans, roughly 4,200 rupees, Oppo AirVook wireless charger priced at 299 Chinese yuans, roughly 3,100 rupees, and Oppo Watch priced at 2,199 Chinese yuans, roughly 23,200 rupees. The entire lineup of EVA series will go on sale on June 1st via online and offline channels in China. Oppo is celebrating the 25th anniversary of Neon Genesis Evangelion anime, and alongside these products, it also teased the arrival of Oppo banned EVA Limited Edition as coming soon. Its pricing and other details were not revealed given that the original Oppo band hasn't been unveiled yet. As per Gizmo China, the Oppo band is expected to launch during the Oppo Reno 4 event. The phone is being teased by the company, but the launch date is yet to be announced. Oppo band EVA Limited Edition is teased to be coming soon. Oppo Ace 2 EVA Limited Edition specifications. The Oppo Ace 2 EVA Limited Edition should have identical specifications as the Oppo Ace 2 launched last month. It should feature a 6.5-inch, 1080x2400 pixels, Full HD plus AMOLED display and be powered by the Snapdragon 865 SoC. There should be a 12GB RAM on board, with up to 256GB UFS 3.0 storage. The quad camera setup should include a 48-megapixel main camera with f/1.7 aperture, 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with f/2.2 aperture, 2-megapixel portrait sensor, and a last 2-megapixel monochrome lens with f/2.4 aperture. Up front, the Oppo Ace 2 EVA Limited Edition has a 16-megapixel selfie camera with f/2.4 aperture. There is going to be a 4,000 mAh battery on the Oppo Ace 2 EVA Limited Edition with 65 watts SuperVOOC 2.0 flash charge and 40 watts AirVook wireless fast charging support. There is an in-display fingerprint sensor on board. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.